In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable Memory Saver in Google Chrome. Begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You will see the three vertical dots, which open the More menu. Click those dots to open the menu. Then select Settings from the list. Once you are in Settings, look to the left-hand sidebar. This sidebar contains different categories for Chrome's options. Find and click the Performance tab. This section is where Chrome places settings related to speed, efficiency, and how the browser uses your computer's resources. After you open the Performance section, look for the Memory Saver option. When you find it, you will see a toggle switch next to it. To enable the feature, click the toggle so it moves to the right. That change turns Memory Saver on. With Memory Saver enabled, Chrome can help reduce memory usage from tabs you are not actively using. That is all you need to do to enable Memory Saver in Google Chrome. That covers everything you need to know.